In this video, I'm going to show you how to find your Mailchimp Audience ID quickly and easily so you can connect Mailchimp to apps, plugins, integrations, and APIs without getting stuck. If you've ever seen the term List ID and wondered if it was the same thing, it is. In Mailchimp, the Audience ID is also referred to as the List ID in many integrations, so once you know where to look, you'll be able to copy it in seconds. Before we jump in, if this tutorial helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials just like this. It really helps the channel and it helps me keep making step-by-step guides for you. Alright, let's get into it. First, open your web browser and go to Mailchimp. Once the site loads, sign in with your Mailchimp account credentials. Make sure you're logging into the correct account, especially if you manage more than one brand or audience, because the audience ID is specific to each audience. After you're signed in, look at the left-hand navigation menu. You'll see a section called Audience. Click on Audience to open it. This is where Mailchimp stores your contacts, audience settings, and subscriber information. If you have multiple audiences, this is where you'll choose the one you want to work with. Now, locate the audience you want to use. Next to the audience name, you should see a More Options menu, usually shown as 3 dots. Click that 3-dot menu to open the available actions for that audience. This is the area that contains the settings and details you need. From the drop-down menu, choose Audience Settings. This will take you to a page with important information about the selected audience. You may see a variety of settings here, but don't worry, we're only looking for one specific detail. Scroll through the Audience Settings page until you find the Audience ID. Depending on your screen size or Mailchimp layout, it may be listed in a section with other audience details. The key thing to remember is that this audience ID is the same value many third-party tools call the list ID. So if an app asks for a Mailchimp list ID, this is the number or code you want. Once you find it, copy the audience ID exactly as it appears. Double check that you've copied the full value, because even one missing character can cause an integration to fail. You can paste it into your website plugin, automation tool, CRM, or API setup whenever you need to connect Mailchimp. And that's it. Now you know exactly how to find your Mailchimp audience ID and use it for your integrations. If this video saved you time, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.